What's the meaning of coercion? Coercion. Coercion.
Coercion. Coercion. Coercion refers to the act of using force or threats to persuade someone to do something against their will. This can involve physical force, such as in the case of a robbery, or psychological manipulation, like when someone is bullied into doing something they don't want to do. The end result of coercion is that the person being coerced feels powerless and manipulated. They may comply with the demands being placed on them, but they do so out of fear or a sense of obligation rather than genuine consent. Coercion is generally considered unethical and may be illegal in many situations.